Welcome back to Crack the Windows. You turned on dark mode in Windows 11, but you're still not seeing the real dark mode. Microsoft quietly changed how dark mode works, and some hidden setting completely transforms the look of Windows. Most users never find it. Stay till the end, because the final tweak fixes why dark mode still looks broken on many PCs. Right-click on desktop, go to personalization, colors, set mode, custom Windows mode, dark app mode. Most users stop here, but that's incomplete. Scroll down and turn off transparency effects. This change alone makes dark mode deeper, more uniform, less washed out. And it also reduces UI flicker. In recent Microsoft updates, File Explorer now respects dark mode better, but only if one hidden option is set correctly. Open File Explorer, click 3 dots, Options. Then go to View tab and click Restore Defaults. Apply and restart File Explorer. This refreshes Explorer's dark rendering cache and fixes random light folders, white flashes, inconsistent side panels. Right-click menus in older versions still showed light backgrounds. Go to Accessibility, Visual Effects, turn off Animation Effects. Now right-click menus, open faster, stay fully dark, don't flash white. This is a hidden dark mode stability tweak. Now go to Contrast Themes. Make sure Contrast Themes is set to None. This prevents Windows from overriding dark UI elements. Open Task Manager. Click Settings. Set App Theme to Dark. Task Manager now fully follows dark mode, including performance graphs, tabs, context menus. Go to Personalization, Background. Use solid dark colors. Avoid bright spotlight images. Go to Run. Type regedit. Go to Software, Microsoft, Windows. Current version. Themes. Personalize. Confirm these values. Apps use light theme equals 0. System uses light theme equals 0. This stops Windows from switching UI layers between light and dark. If this video made your Windows look cleaner and easier on the eyes, hit like and subscribe to Crack the Windows, because this channel shows professional Windows settings Microsoft never explains. Thank you for watching.